guys, it's Nora. So for the next couple days, I'm going to be doing videos on how to make your own comics, and I love making my own comics, and I've been doing it for a really long time now. These are some of the ones that I made when I was in middle school with colored pencil, and these are some that I made in high school with marker, and actually there's a few more of these, and this is a little bit more shaded. This is another one from high school, and these are some that I've made just in the last couple years. They're printed like little books, and this is the other one that I just made a couple months ago. And that was all colored digitally, but I still drew it by hand on pen and paper. And this is one that I've been working on while I'm stuck at home like the rest of you guys, and it's a great time to work on a project like this. So I'm going to show you guys how I like to come up with my ideas and how I like to draw my comics. And this is just one way of doing it. It's, you know, after all these years of doing it, this is the way that I found out works best for me. So you should experiment and try all different things. Don't just, you know, this is just one way that you can. So I'm going to show you what I do. So starting off is coming up with a story, because that's really the most important part of the comic. You know, even if your art isn't the best, if you have a good story, people will still want to read it. And that's not, you know, that shouldn't hold you back. So the way that I start coming up with stories a lot of time is to think about stories that I like my favorite books and movies and comics and cartoons, and think about what it is that I like about them so much, and kind of figure out how to create that feeling in some of my own ideas. So these are some of my big inspirations, and even if you don't always have an idea, if you find things that really capture the feeling of what you want to say, you can still experience them and come away with some fresh ideas. So sometimes coming up with these stories can take a while, but it's really fun, and it's an excuse to just daydream. For me, sometimes I have stories that I've had for like years, and I'm just waiting for the right time to start them. And this one, in fact, quarantine was the right time to start it because I suddenly had all this time. But it's really fun to come up with your own stories and really develop them, and anything can be an inspiration, you know? You can find music that really fits what kind of vibe you want for your story. I do that a lot, and then just go for walks while listening to the music, and you get like ideas. It's really fun. So that's it for this one. On the next ones, we're going to talk about more the drawing aspect, the writing aspect, and it's going to be really fun. So I hope you watch some more. Bye, guys.